Imagine waking up in a home that feels light, open, and stress-free. You know exactly where everything is. No more rummaging through drawers for your glasses. No more shuffling piles of papers just to find the one bill you needed. For many seniors, this dream can feel far away, but let me tell you, it's not. A well-organized home is more than just a tidy space. It's freedom, safety, and peace of mind. And today, I'm going to share with you the 5 home organization rules you should never break. Because these simple basics can transform your home and your life. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Keep what you love, let go of the rest. Picture this. A woman named Margaret, 72 years old, living in the same house for 40 years. Every room tells a story. The living room holds boxes of old magazines. The kitchen drawers are stuffed with utensils, and closets overflow with clothes that haven't seen the light of day in decades. Margaret often feels overwhelmed, even though she doesn't admit it. One day, she trips over a box in her hallway. That's when it hits her. Too much stuff can actually be dangerous. The first golden rule of organization is learning the art of letting go. For seniors, this isn't just about decluttering. It's about choosing comfort and safety over clutter. Keep only what you love, what you use, and what truly matters. Every item in your home should either serve a purpose or bring you joy. Ask yourself, does this object make my daily life easier or happier? If not, it's time to say goodbye. Remember, fewer things mean fewer worries. Margaret finally cleared out half her belongings, and suddenly, her home felt like a sanctuary again. Rule 2. A place for everything and everything in its place. Now imagine John, a retired teacher. He spends 20 minutes every morning searching for his reading glasses. The problem isn't that John forgets. It's that his home doesn't have systems. This is where the second rule comes in. Once you decide what stays in your home, you must give it a permanent spot. Your keys should live in a dish by the door. Your remote controls should have a basket on the coffee table. Medications should be organized in a labeled container. Think of your home like a map. If everything has a place, you never waste time searching. For seniors, this is especially important. It reduces stress, prevents frustration, and saves energy. John eventually placed a small tray on his bedside table for his glasses, and just like that, one little system changed his whole routine. The rule is simple. Don't just put things down. Put them away where they belong. Rule 3. Safety first, always. Let me tell you about Clara, who loved her cozy home filled with rugs, low tables, and decorations everywhere. But one evening, she tripped over a rug edge, and that small fall left her with weeks of recovery. That's when she realized organization isn't just about neatness, it's about safety. The third rule every senior must follow is safety first. That means no clutter in hallways, no cords stretched across walking paths, and no piles on the stairs. Keep the most used items within easy reach to avoid climbing or stretching. Install good lighting so that every corner of your home is visible, even at night. An organized home should protect you, not endanger you. Seniors deserve homes that feel like safe havens, not obstacle courses. Clara rolled up her rugs, cleared her pathways, and suddenly her home wasn't just tidier. It was safer. Rule 4. Think small, organize daily. Let's face it, organizing an entire home can feel overwhelming, especially if you've collected decades of memories. But here's the secret. You don't have to do it all at once. Take Robert, for example. He used to feel defeated whenever he thought about his messy garage. But instead of tackling everything in one day, he made a new rule. Organize just 15 minutes every day. One drawer today, one shelf tomorrow, one corner the next day. That's the fourth rule, think small. Break organization into daily habits. Seniors thrive with routines, and organizing should become part of that rhythm. Like watering your plants or taking your morning walk, dedicate a short, consistent time for tidying up. Little by little, those small efforts add up to a big change. Robert's garage took a month, but now it's neat, functional, and he never felt burnt out during the process. Remember, slow and steady keeps your home under control. Rule 5. Maintenance is key. Now comes the rule most people forget. Maintenance. You see, organization isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing relationship with your home. Think of it like gardening. You don't plant flowers once and walk away forever. You water them, prune them, and care for them. The same goes for your home. If you organize today and never maintain, clutter will sneak back in before you know it. Take Helen's story. After a big cleanup, she felt proud of her organized home. But a few weeks later, mail piled up again, and her countertops disappeared under clutter. Then she learned the fifth rule: put things back daily and do a 5-minute reset every evening. Maintenance doesn't take much effort, but it creates lasting peace. When you make organization a habit, your home will always feel fresh and manageable. Closing story. So let's recap through the lives of our friends. Margaret found freedom by letting go. John created peace by giving everything a place. Clara built safety by clearing pathways. Robert made progress by organizing daily in small chunks. And Helen kept her home beautiful with simple maintenance. These 5 rules aren't just about a clean house. They're about living with dignity, safety, and joy as we age. Seniors deserve homes that support them, not stress them. So take a look around your home right now. Ask yourself, what can I let go of? What needs a place? What might trip me tomorrow if I don't move it today? Start small, but start now. Because an organized home is more than tidy. It's a gift to yourself and to the life you want to live.